Hi, so we're going to go over the basics of drawing on how to draw a detail. So the steps for drawing details are you're going to go under the view tab and click on the drafting view that is in the create section that's in here. You're going to have to name your drafting view. So our standard is usually naming it the detail number or your sheet number that you're going to place a detail on. So for example, 501-1 horizontal, we like to name it what the detail is actually showing. If provided, you can add an AutoCAD drawing as a reference by going to insert and then going to import CAD under import, but you don't necessarily need it. And then you can go to annotate and add a detail component here, or you can go to the WW detailing tab and then add a detail component here to find the families that you need for your detail, and then just create your detail how it is on AutoCAD or how you want it to look. So let's get started. So if you watch the basics on how to start your project or the setup for your project, you know that I imported this and I'm just going to continue on with this same project. So what we want to do is go up here to view and drafting view, and then we're just going to name it. For this one, I'm going to name it 501-1 and Inviso. Actually, we like to do this in all caps. Inviso horizontal. Hit OK, and then it'll take you to your new drafting view and name it what you want. From here, I'm going to want to insert. I have a CAD file on what it is that I want to be drawn. So if you have one, you can open it up here. And I think everything here is fine. So I'm just going to hit open. And there is my CAD file here for the detail that I want to draw. So for this, I'm going to need this family, the SW75-2126-001, and all of these other components. Some of them will be loaded in, like this glass detail, but some things like the mullion or the gaskets and fasteners will not be loaded in or may not be loaded in. So you can always load it in. So from here, you can either go to annotate and click component here, or WW detailing, and it's not shown here, so it may be tricky to get used to, but the component is going to be under this detail line. There's a drop down option, and then you just click on detail component, and then it'll take you to your components. So it's the same thing, essentially, just in different tabs. For the sake of this project, I already have this loaded in just to show you, so it's easier. So I'll place it here. That's where I want it. And this family, as you can see, it comes with this this cock joint here already, and this piece as well as the fastener. So I don't have to load any of that in, but it doesn't come with the gasket. So I'm going to need to add those in. And these ones can be kind of tricky. For this bottom one, I can add it in. Actually, no, I can't. Is it the top one? Okay, so this top one, I can add it in correct, like fine, but for this one, I can't. I have to rotate it and mirror it. So what I like to do is just draw a line in the middle. I just press DL and it's detail line, which you can also get here in detail line. And I click on this and I hit MM, which is to mirror, or it's up here. And then I mirror it across here, and there it is. Make sure to delete any detail lines. And just to show you those are both in there now. And the other thing that I'm missing is the glass, which is also a detail component. This one comes in with the standard template, so you don't have to load anything in. And then I always forget, I think it's from here. Oh no, it's from the other side. So you just hit where you want it. So from here, okay, I am gonna have to move it. I wonder why it's coming up from over there. But you can always just click on it, and then MV is to move. So move this edge to this edge, and then you can adjust it how you want it. So if you want to change it so it's hitting this bottom where it's hitting it in the cat draw, you can just draw a line again and do that. And then if you don't want to have to do the same thing up here, again, you can just draw a line in the middle of the mullion, hit MM, and now it's mirrored across. Make sure you delete the line. And now if I hide this, you see pretty much all the components in here for this detail that I created. So that's pretty much how you would create a detail in Revit. Thank you.